As a member of the European Parliament, I am especially happy to participate in such an important Polish contribution here in Brussels. This exhibition not only honors outstanding individuals, but also shows how their ideas have helped to shape science, technology and innovation worldwide. Let me also add that from today's perspective, looking at the very present challenges, we will need a lot of creativity and a lot of innovations to solve our current problems in Europe and the world.